Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm back on to share with you a Glam Christmas tree decor idea. I was asked to recreate this, and I'm going to show you how much it's cost. This is it right here. It's $385. Can you believe it? OMG. I can't. But you know we're diva on a budget. I was asked by Sharon_Elizabeth88 on Instagram to recreate this lovely blinked out Christmas tree on a budget. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, I have this cone here which I got from Micheals, and I have some glitter with some Mod Podge, and we are going to just add some glitter to the base of the cone, so anywhere that we don't get a jewel, it doesn't look plain, it looks nice. So that's what we're doing. And for our second cone, I'll be using some white glitter. Yeah, I got this glitter from Micheals. It's all white. The one that I got from Walmart is not all white. It has some psychedelic pink stuff in it. And I wanted all white glitter, so I went to Micheals and I picked up this one. So we're just going to put the white glitter all over this cone. And then we're going to let them dry. And I hope you guys can see the glitter. It's all white and absolutely beautiful. And now our cones are dry. So I'm going to use the gems from Totally Dazzled. And I'm just going to share with you the back of the gems, just in case it's your first time on my video and you don't know how to take them off. So there's 3 kinds, like what I have here. And we're just going to use this little thing here from the Dollar Tree. And we are going to just snap off the back edges on the gem, and they come off very easy. And these ones with a little round circle, I just snip them just like that. I snip them so it just takes off the top part of the circle so it would lay flat with the glue. And this one here, I just do the same thing, just snap them off, and now they're easy to glue down. So we're gonna start with our cone here that's all dry. And I'm using the Gorilla Glue, and we are just gonna place our gems everywhere on our cone and just hold them down for a minute. The glue is hot, takes a second to dry, and these gems are a little heavier, so just hold them down in place so they don't slide with the hot glue. They'll just stay in place. And then we are just gonna place them everywhere and blink out our tree. And the gems that I'm using are the assorted packs on the site of Totally Dazzled. She sells single gems, or you can buy the pack gems, which is the assorted packs. And those are my favorite because you get all sorts of shapes and sizes and beautiful gems, as you can see. That's what I always like to use. I like using the assorted packs. And you can get them in any color, in gold, in silver, or in rose gold. And I absolutely love them. And if you're not familiar, the link for Totally Dazzled is in my description box below the video. Just click show more and it will open it up and you'll see the link down there. You can go on the site and look at all the lovely items that they have for sale over there. And now for our next glam cone. It's all dry with the white. A little bit of the silver got on it. Oh well. I think it's still okay though. So now this time we'll be using the rose gold gems. We're going to do the same thing. Bling out our cone. This cone's a little smaller than the first one that I had. The other one was bigger. But like I said, I got them from Micheals. Yeah. Dollar Tree had some cones last year, but I checked all the Dollar Trees in my area and all around, and I couldn't find any. So I had to end up going to Micheals because they always have them. So I got these ones at Micheals. And now I'm just going to be adding some pearls that I got from Dollar Tree. These little pearls here in the bag. I'm just going to be adding them in between to help fill up and add a little bit more glam to our Christmas tree. And here are our glammed out Christmas trees. I think they look so super cute with the gems from Totally Dazzled. And on this one I have some gems from Dollar Tree also, the little pearls I was showing you. I think they look so beautiful. And you know what, for less than a fraction of the price, way less, because they're not $385. Can you believe it? OMG. You know, you buy the assorted packs from Totally Dazzled, and then you get your cone from Micheals, and there you go, you put your tree together. Way cheaper, way cheaper than what they're selling it on that Etsy site. Yeah, and here you can add a candle holder if you like. They had it on the candle holder. You can add it on a candle holder yourself too, or you can have them flat on the surface, both ways. But I think they look so lovely. Look at them all blinged out. $385, really? I don't think so. And it looks very nice. Now, you know what, you could add more gems if you like. You could add more, you could add less. Either way, it's absolutely beautiful. And here it is with the other one on the candle holder, just so you see how it looks. So Sharon, I hope I showed you, I know I showed you a more easier and cheaper way to recreate these glammed Christmas tree. And thank you so much for giving me this challenge to do. I really appreciate it. And I love how they turned out. OMG. I absolutely love them. So you know what? Leave me a comment and tell me what you all think of these glammed, blinged out Christmas trees. They will make a lovely piece of Christmas decor for this 2019 Christmas season, or you can even make them to be gifted to someone special for the Christmas. Yeah. I love how they turned out. Alright everyone, thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And remember, as always, Stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.